The good news is your company's letting you work remote more, which makes sense because you've got team members all over the globe. The bad news is sometimes when you dial into meetings, something's lost in translation because you're not really reading each other's body language anymore. The best news is you're now using 8x8 meetings. Our goal is to remove all friction around using the product. It should just work. And it does, and great too, I might add. But still, there's probably some things that you'll want to set up as your own personal preferences before you get started. Do yourself a favor and install the calendar plugin right from your settings pane. Once you do, it'll sync up very quickly with your business calendar, and you'll have all of your meetings on your left-hand side as clickable links. Choose how you personally want to start your meetings. Video, toggle on or off, audio on or off. You might want to start up with your avatar, and then when you're ready, toggle on that camera. By default, meeting spaces are named after your coworkers, first name dot last name. So most of the time, you could probably deduce what the name of the meeting is you're trying to join, or you could just send a link. You can also go in and copy a link and send that out. You can even add a password if you'd like. Finally, go over into your More Actions menu. There's quite a few things there you can check out. You can choose to live stream, to record. You might want to go into some preferences like setting up some meetings that are audio only. 8x8 meetings, high quality, low friction, and lets you feel like you're all in the same room again. This has been another Academy Short.